80 points lower out there. So let's see how this goes.
Okay, yesterday the Bank Nifty was the one that got hit very hard. So just keep an eye out on that this morning as well. It doesn't look like it's going to be a great start, but we'll take what we get. The first tick on the index is down 120 points, 130 now, 150 gone on the Nifty. It's severe, the sell-off that we're seeing in early morning trades. Sensex straight off the back is down 550 points. 160, 170 gone on the Nifty now. This is looking quite intense. Take a look at the mid-cap index, 600 points gone straight off the back. And the Bank Nifty as well is down about 400 odd points. The advanced decline ratio is an ugly picture this morning, 1,800 stocks on the declining side. Now, the important part to note here is that the 21,000 level, right, that is, it's just about hanging in there for the moment. And it's a sell-off across the board. No sector, no stock is spared. So banks are under pressure. IT is under pressure. Adani Group stocks are, of course, high beta in nature, so they are selling off as well. And then you have a couple of these metal names, Coal India, etc., that are down and out. There's not a single stock in the green, except ONGC perhaps, which is just up 0.5%. Otherwise, the market is looking very weak. So after a 160-point sell-off, now the Nifty is sort of settling around 120 points lower, 120, 130 points. So the initial gap down opening has taken place, and the Sensex as well down about 400 odd points. But as we said, the bigger problem, and perhaps the place you need to be a little more cautious on, is the mid-cap index, because they are vulnerable to deeper slides.
Well, that's right. Just take a look at a few stocks actually that are selling off. You have Indian Bank. They've done a QIP, I think, in the last few days. That one is down close to around 8%, one of the top losers in terms of volumes. Suzlon is now down from around that 43 mark. It's come down to around 33. It's down close to around 5% as we speak. And some of those names that had run very, very hard on the upside, they are coming for some profit taking. IRFC, that's down close to around 3%. You have PFC and REC, both of them under some pressure today. AMI Organics, that's down close to around 5% as we speak. On the flip side, what's gaining? Z Entertainment, they like the release that's come about. They believe that that extension is going to come about. Maybe, in fact, Sony and Z can go ahead and get that deal done. So for the time being, there's a relief rally that we're seeing up there, up close to around 3%, one of the notable gainers. You have Oil India as well, that's up another 3.5%, so good going out there. Piramal Enterprises had come out with that disclosure. For the time being, the stock is down close to around 3%, and City Union Bank as well is down close to around 4% as we speak. Some kind of stability, as I said earlier, 20,950 that holds out. That's going to give the bulls some kind of reason to hope that we see a bit of a bounce. As we speak, we're up close to around 60 points from the low point of the day. We were down 180 points when Sonia was taking that market check. Now we're down 110 points odd. But the Nifty Bank, that's the one I'll be looking at, whether it can bounce from here on, and it could be the driving factor. Advanced decline ratio, 5 stocks declining for 1 stock. That's advancing. Prashant.
Okay, well, 100 points lower is what we have, 21,030 on the index at this point in time. And market breadth is negative. 3:1 in favor of declines is the market breadth, which is pretty poor to begin the day.